I'm Julian Levy, co-founder of Dr. Levy Switzerland. Thank you very much for having purchased the ultimate anti-aging protocol. So today I am going to explain in this beautiful set our most powerful stem cell treatments, how to use it. Remember, this was designed to last at least 3 to 4 weeks if you use it in the correct quantities for an absolute phenomenal transformation. So now I'm going to do step by step for you. The first product is the booster serum. The booster serum is in the traveling size. This should last you 3 to 4 weeks. One pressure is enough to cover the full face. It's very easy. Men, women, all ages, all skin types. It's extremely concentrated in our patented stem cell formula to regenerate your collagen. What you need to do is one pressure, maximum 2, and then you apply, always from the inside of the face towards the outside. Best is to put on different parts of the face and then to spread it out from the inside to the outside. Voila. The second product we've added is our best-selling eye booster concentrate. It was called the best thing since Botox. We've put it in a very easy, travel-friendly size. This is 7 milliliter. It's half the size of the full retail. The full retail can last up to 4 to 6 months, which means with this, you should have more than enough for 6-8 weeks, if not more. Make sure not to use too much of it. 1 grain of rice is enough to cover both eyes below and above. The way to ensure you don't use too much is to open it from the top. And as you can see, there's already product coming out naturally. This is enough for both eyes, below and above. It has an immediate, clinically proven anti-puffiness and lifting effect. It decreases puffiness and wrinkles by 40% within 15 minutes. And then that makes you want to use it every day. And after a few weeks, we've seen a significant decrease in wrinkle depth, improvement in firmness, hydration, and density. So you use it from the inside to the outside, below and above. You can always tap. That can help on drainage. Let it penetrate. If it's sticky for more than 1 minute, it means you've put too much. So next time, make sure you put less. The third product we've added for your everyday use in a very simple, straightforward protocol is the Enriched Booster Cream. Again, we've designed this size as 20 milliliter. This was designed specifically to be easy to put in any purse, in any bag, in any toiletry bag to go anywhere. This also should last you at least 1 month, if not 6 to 8 weeks, depending on how much you use. This is the richer version of the cream. It has a bit more coconut oil and sweet almond oil. What it means is that if you're like me and you have more mixed skin and it's summer and you need a bit of hydration but not too much, you put a very small amount. If you prefer thicker cream or you need more hydration or it's winter, a lot of air conditioning, you can put a little bit more. But again, less is more. Open it from the top side, remove, did a little seal, and then that is more than enough for full face and neck. Again, you put a bit everywhere on the face, and then you spread it from the inside to the outside. Finally, the last product, which is not for everyday use, it's really to use maybe once, twice a week, or whenever you have a need to really glow. You need to glow, you need to have a party, or you look very tired and you need something in 15-20 minutes, you need to look 10 years fresher. This is the R3 Cell Matrix Mask. We've done it in individual sachets. Each one is more than enough for the full face, if not 2 times the face, to be honest, which means you have 4, which means 1 per week, 4 weeks, or even potentially twice a week for 4 weeks. I'll show you how to use it now. First, of course, you use the product and you put it in your hand. And what it is important is to use it zone by zone. A big pearl is enough for the full face. And very importantly, you can use it all around the eyes. It's incredible. I will start with the eyes and then I will spread it across the face. Don't forget the eyelid. And now the rest of the face. Now you can leave it on 20 minutes or as long as you want. You can leave it all night if you wish. It's hyaluronic acid, vitamins, ceramides, is skin mimicking and will really go into the skin, recreate the skin natural barrier, plump, visibly erase wrinkles. It really make you look 10 years fresher in as short as 20 minutes. The longer you leave it, the better it is. I'll leave it on and then we'll remove it. Always remove with hot or lukewarm water or in the shower, and you gently then remove the excess with a soft towel and you're good. Now the mask has been removed. I can see my glow coming back. Some of the fine lines and wrinkles are not as visible. My grain is uniform. So it's really great when you're traveling, you have a little bit of time or you have a whole night where you want to relax. You can use the mask and remove it the next morning, or if you really need something short for a very efficient result, whether it's around the eyes only or the full face, you can use it. Go on with your life, 20 minutes, and then you can remove it. I hope you're going to enjoy your Ultimate Anti-Aging Protocol, this exclusive set we've developed specifically for JR, and we hope to see you back.